You know, food we are bring food. You see that? A Ragga, Ruggie and Ruddy Irie. Yo, Jamaica, you ready?
You pumpkin, yeah?
Yo, red rice and roaster, half a tree. Video face, heart right.
Bless you and greetings all of my viewers and subscribers, kings and queen line and lioness. I hope all is blessed. Big up on yourself. Good morning. Give thanks to life, you know. Another day, you know what I mean? Yes, man, big up the whole world. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, please consider doing so. Help the channel grow. You know, keep it real on the battlefield over here, so. So, you know what I'm saying? Yes, my viewers and subscribers, so you don't know. Big up the whole world, you know, England, America, Jamaica, Africa, everywhere. I love what say. See, you know, the man of peace. Zan. Yeah, man, big up the whole London, as me say. So, coming up in this vlog, my viewers and subscribers, I don't know, Ragga, Ruggie and Ruddy Irie nearly get lit down. Hey, the man, them not easy, you know, the man see where them are going with. You see it? Yes, man, and also, I don't know, Shaka good life, Shaka pimp, late to rest. And I big up everybody who turned out yesterday. Davina, stay strong. Mommy, papi, stay strong. Zine, yes, and also, you don't know, US teen who out a rape, you know what I mean, yeah, RAP East was sentenced in order to pay 150,000 in restitution to the families. What do you have to say about that? Boy, I tell you. But any of my viewers and subscribers, we have to fall back after the break.
Please reverse the curse, you know. Reverse the curse, I beg you, reverse the curse. Don't leave back on all who do the evil. Father God, reverse the curse, God, reverse the curse, you know. Reverse the curse, please, reverse the curse, you know. Reverse the curse, I beg you, reverse the curse. Don't leave back on all who do the evil works. Oh, bear can girl, you can't stop me thing.
Yes, welcome back. Thanks for staying. If you're still here, that shows you care. Don't forget to like and share. But yeah, my viewers and subscribers, you don't know, you know, Shaka good life, Shaka pimp, yeah, you know what I mean, Shaka, rich is right, poor is wrong, you know. Finally late to rest yesterday, and it was a good turnout, so I just want to take this time off to say big up everybody who turned out to pay them last respect to Shaka good life, Shaka pimp, you know what I mean, and his families, you know what I mean. Yes, it was a great turnout, as I say, we see people from all over, east, west, north, south, you know, London, Brixton, Crichton, Peckham, Streatham, everywhere. You know, Shaka good youth, that's it. So big up everybody who turn out, you know what I mean? And we also have some other footage with some different individuals. I pay tribute, so we're going to edit that and dash it out, you know what I mean? Yesterday, you know? It was a good turnout, all over, you know? Everybody who turn out. Big up all of the DJ them. Big up Danny Bless, you know, good hosting, and yes, man. Big up everybody. Saying, so Shaka good life, rest in peace, and I don't know, want to shower down the blessing and watch over your family, them, and you know what I mean? As I say, mama and papa, stay strong. Davina, stay strong. Yeah, man. When you couple the G them say, don't be afraid to reach out to them, so I don't know. You know they do this. Do the do and stay strong. Zin, for your kids, them, and everybody. Coming from Lionfoot. Zan. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So next now, watch Ragga, Ruggie and Ruddy Irie. Look at them go with. I'm a part of London.
Oh, Jamaica! Asante! Yo, Jamaica! Ready, we're ready, you know. Food we are bring food, you see that? A Ragga, Ruggie and Ruddy Irie. Yo, Jamaica, you ready?
You pumpkin, yeah?
Yo, red rice and roaster, half a tree. Video face, heart right. Yo, arthritis. Yo, hold on around the tree. Yo, I go on, half a tree. Jamaica, we are coming. And the Prince returning. Yo, skill the rats. Them for do a video face. Yo,
Squidly.
Satay.
Yo, foot time.
Yo, I go on. Jamaica, food we are dealing with.
Food.
Red rice and roaster, half a tree. Yo, I go on, the Prince, catch it. Yo, get you walking. Yo, when I cook, food we are going with, brother. Them know we, yo, food. And we alone can black road in a friend. Ruddy, but the camera stay for me.
So make it stay for me.
Arbitrary, downtown, state corner, kid. Yo, don't stop about. Yo, don't care about bus. Yo, I mean, yo, don't Sasha. Yo, I mean, I don't care stop bus in England. Yo, a food we are cooking. Yo, Jamaica. Come on. Adios. Satay. Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
Yes.
Arbitrary war, because we are done here.
One red rice and roaster. Red rice and... Yo, adios. Yo, Sunday.
Hey, my viewers and subscribers. Hey. But I say, yo, red rice and chicken. Yo, the man have the pot for them head. Yo, I tell you something I saw it yesterday. Yo. Hey, everybody be sure at the funeral I see that laugh. They was say, the man easy, the man entertainer, the man know viral again, you know. But I don't know for me say the good things, man, the joyful thing, and I have to put it on the platform. And I mean, to make you guys have a laugh. Also, you see me, I say, you know, Ragga, Ruggie and Ruddy Irie are two close brethren, you know what I mean? Good friend from long time, from way back when, and them do them, you see me? Also, I and I, you see it? Yes, man, so big up Ragga Ruggie, big up Ruddy Irie. Let's go and live and enjoy life, yeah, because nobody knows what tomorrow may bring, you see it? Yeah, man, let's live life to the fullest and live clean and real, see it? Yes, my viewers and subscribers, so, I don't know, last but not least now, this young lady here, you see me, I say US teen, yeah, ordered to pay 150,000 in restitution to the families them. You know what I mean? And that story, I may not understand it. So I'm going to read a piece of the article as I normally do. And you can leave a reaction in the comment section. Said? Yeah, man. So let's go. A teenage human trafficking victim who was initially charged with first-degree murder after she STAB accused rapist to threat was sentenced Tuesday in an Iowa court to 5 years of closely supervised probation and ordered to pay $150,000 restitution to the man's family. Some viewers and subscribers say, yeah, wagwan, say wagwan. John Star. Piper Lewis, 17, was sentenced Tuesday after she pleaded last year to involuntary manslaughter and willful injury in the June 2020 KILLNG of 37-year-old Zachary Brooks of Des Moines. Both charges were punishable by up to 10 years in prison. Police and prosecutors have not disputed that Lewis was sexually assaulted and trafficked, but prosecutors have argued that Brooks was asleep at the time he was STAB and not an immediate danger to Lewis. Some of you and subscribers, tell me if that story add up. I want to think about it. See in the comment section. Because I read it this morning and I said, Jaja. See, Piper Lewis, she was 15 when it happened in 2020. See, in 2020. See, she pleaded guilty to involuntary manslaughter. Sometimes YouTube sensitive, so if it's a manslaughter, she pleaded guilty to that. And she was, you don't know, both charges could lead up to 10 years, that's what them saying in the article. See, but them sentenced her to probation, watch probation. See, 5 years, and ordered to pay $150,000 back to the families of the victim. Now, this man was 37 when it happened. See? Remember, you know, she was a trafficking child. Sexually abused, you know? Yeah. So she jab him up to death, you know? Yeah. And thing and well, I want to YouTube and them sensitive business style. You see me? But anyway, yeah. Zine, now the prosecutor, this is where caught my hairs and my eyes, you know. The prosecutor and the police them didn't argue nor mention about that she was sexually, you know what I mean, abused and assaulted on several occasions. They never no mention none at all or argued. Maybe them have proof that it go on. Zine. But the prosecutor I go argue say when it happened, the man was in his sleep, was sleeping, and he wasn't a direct threat to her at the time because he was sleeping. Oh, ridiculous that sound. How disgusting that sounds. Because you as a prosecutor, I tell you, say, lawyer get them money for do them work, you know. Whether you're a prosecutor, you're a lawyer, a defendant, you know. But truth and right, that's how me see it. You see me? You think me as I could have been a prosecutor, I know say that go on for true and the girl, even though what she do, you know what I mean? We're not supporting taking someone's life, but you know what I mean? She's the victim. You know, 15 years old. She's now 17 when she now been sentenced at the age 17. So but as a prosecutor, how can you have the heart for know say your family daughter or cousin went through that situation and you got to defend the culprit? Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think in the comment section. I don't know, 7 brothers, 7 different minds. You see me I say, and you know, John star. I don't know, but let me know what you think in the comment section, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, you know. Wall up love, you know. Don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell. Yeah, man. We keep it real on the battlefield where you are. And if you have a story to share, or you would like to come on the platform to tell your story, your journey, whether musically, sport-wise, anything, reach out to Lionfoot TV. We keep it real on the battlefield. Jamaica, love and unity, strength, respect, each and everyone. Yeah? Show love amongst your friends and your brother. Walk away from trouble if you can. Then, yeah, and to the couples them, if the relationship not work, take on yourself, walk away. Yeah, man. I'm out. Not another word out of me. I'm out.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.